What is going on, ladies and gents? Welcome back to another video of the weekly market update on this TradeX YouTube channel. We have had another fantastic week of trading, and I want to be going over the three markets that we usually cover in this video. So I'm going to get straight into it, guys. Okay, we had some fantastic trades last week. Some of the predictions I made, if you haven't watched the video already, I want you to go and watch them. We predicted that Bitcoin would come into this imbalanced area and then retrace. Okay, so this is the area that I identified, and I'm gonna play you actually a short clip here of what I saw happening. Okay, so let's play this. We can kind of dump it. This kind of lines up exactly, in this imbalance zone. Okay, so that's why, when we dumped straight down through it quite quickly, because we didn't get the volume, so they were able to manipulate price. Okay, so what can happen now? There's two scenarios. I do think we'll clear this pretty soon. Maybe Monday, Tuesday. We can come up into here. If we get a lack of interest from the buyers, we can easily start pushing back down, guys. Okay, so guys, that's exactly what we predicted was going to happen, and look exactly what happened next. Okay, we cleared the point of control. So if we drop this down to a 4-hour chart, okay, so we cleared the point of control. We came into this imbalanced area here. Okay, what I was identifying in the video, and we dumped exactly down to where I was saying, and we, not surprisingly, dumped straight down into the value area low of this range and got a big bounce. Okay, so that's what we were expecting, and that's the trades that we have been taking on this channel. This was my original trade that I take. Well, not this one, sorry. Let's bring up. This is my trade idea that I taken on Bitcoin when we were down towards 59,000. This is the long I took. I was looking for a move into 64,000. So when we took that, and then I saw the imbalance. When we got into it, I saw some signs of weakness, and that's when I said on October the 7th, which was last week, when we got that move up, I said I'm going to be taking full profits on this trade here. So we taken full profits, and that was, you can say, a fantastic decision, because we got a big move down into, to clear these stop losses. All these stop losses built under this low. We came down, we cleared, we took them all, and now we reversed quite violently back up towards almost $65,000, guys. Okay, so I was bullish on these markets, and nonetheless, we got a very bullish close to on Bitcoin. We got, we dumped down, and then we came back and we got a very bullish hammer. So we closed the week bullishly. I was bullish on Bitcoin, and that's exactly what happened. We got the move into the imbalance, dump down, dump back up. Okay, that's what we were expecting. And like I said, if you watch my videos, I don't want to see the price around 54,000, because for me at that point, this thing is going to start getting bearish. Okay, I didn't want to see it. I wanted a reaction from here at the very lowest. I was expecting a bounce here, value area low. If we lost its value area low, I was expecting a bigger dump to the downside. But Bitcoin regained momentum on the Friday, and now we are pumping. We are, as of this recording, it's the 14th of October, the Monday, and we hit 65,000 today. Okay, guys. So like I said to you, I expect this pivot to be taken. Okay, I'm expecting this pivot to be taken, and I expect this pivot to be taken this week. Okay, I'm expecting all-time highs before the elections on all. Well, we've already hit all-time highs on ES many times, but Nasdaq and Bitcoin have been lagging the ES. So I expect Bitcoin and Nasdaq to catch up. I expect both to be past their all-time highs, breaking all-time highs before the elections. So I don't know which week it's going to happen. Maybe this week, maybe next week, maybe election week. But I expect both of these instruments to be trading at all-time highs, above all-time highs by election. Okay, I'd be very surprised if they're not all-time highs. Okay, they want votes. They want to be pushing these markets to all-time highs. So I don't think. I mean, a lot of people were bearish last week on these markets, saying second week of October is generally a bearish week. But for me, no, I didn't see too much on the charts that told me we're gonna start moving down 2-3% on the week. I wasn't of that opinion. That's what happened. Okay. Not saying that we are right every single time, but I just didn't see anything convincing to say that the markets were heading down 2 or 3 or 4%. So that's what happened on the markets. What do I expect next? We are back into this imbalanced area. We already hit it once, okay, and dumped. I don't expect the same thing to happen, and although we're getting a little bit of a reaction here. I expect this to be cleared, this imbalanced area to be cleared. I expect this pivot 66,000 to be taken. Okay, I was actually interested in a trade this morning, maybe last night, but I just don't like trading weekends. And to be honest, it didn't give me the opportunity, because when I see a big impulse like this and a correction, I was looking for a 382. I was looking for a 38245. I was looking for the price to come here. Okay, I was waiting for here and then continuation to the upside. It didn't quite give me my entry, so unfortunately I had to miss that one. But very, very bullish move again from, not even hit the 382, and we're moving very aggressively towards the upside. This looks like a wave 1 and a 2, and now we're moving into a 3. So if you do Elliott waves, you know what I'm talking about. But yeah, I'm expecting bullish continuation, guys, here. If you do Elliott waves, I have been looking at this diagonal pattern. Let me just pull it up here, guys. Yeah, so I'm looking at this diagonal. So basically what I'm looking at is another move to the upside, another 3-wave move back down, one more push. That will give us the fifth, okay? And then I want to see a correction towards 62, 63, and then that's your wave 1. That will be your wave 2, and then you're off for 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so that's the kind of thing I'm looking at. Yeah, I'm expecting continuation to the upside. The next trade, to be honest with you, I'm not looking for any shorts here. I expect this area to be taken, so I'm not expecting any shorts here. No longs for me. I'm not in a trade right now, guys. Okay, just long-term holder of Bitcoin at the minute. I don't see a trade. The next trade that I would be interested would be a short. Okay, would be up here towards the 69, the value area high, and this around 69k. Where this new naked point of control comes in, 69.5, 69.6, around this area. If Bitcoin comes here. Yeah, Bitcoin comes here, sign of weakness, back down. That would, line us up pretty nicely with this diagonal pattern, right? So you can get like a move into it. You can get overshoots on these diagonals. Okay, quite common to get an overshoot in a fifth wave. If you're an Elliottian, you know what I'm talking about. But that could complete wave 1, and then back down towards this. Naked point, this point of control here, 65k, and then boom, towards the upside. Okay, so that's my trade idea for Bitcoin. Yeah, continuation to the upside. If anything bearish happens, then we're gonna have to change our analysis. But for now, I'm bullish. I'm expecting 69k. Maybe not. If it doesn't happen this week, I'm completely fine not trading this until I get my setup around here. If we start moving towards the upside, then obviously I'll be looking towards $60,000. But to be honest, I wouldn't want it to be coming down here right now. I want a big push to the upside, and then a short trade back down for another long setup back to all-time highs. That's what the kind of trade setups I'm looking at. Okay, ES, everybody thinking we're going to get a bearish week. Nope, ES didn't get a bearish week. Like I said, I'm expecting new all-time highs. We've got, if you watched it from 2 weeks ago, we've got our correction here. We were trading in this area. Okay, no, sorry, not this area here. we were trading, we got this push down, and then yeah, we're back at all-time highs, guys. So ES is difficult to call at the minute. We could get a push down and then continuation. So if you look at this, you know, a push down to around these levels here, okay, 58.40, 58.50, around these areas, maybe, you know, get a push here and then continuation back up towards all-time highs again. That's the kind of, yeah, that's what I'm looking at. Okay, I'm out of any long positions on ES, but we're day traders. Let's look at NQ. Okay, because this is the instrument that I trade daily. Okay, yeah, I was expecting continuation. Okay, move to the upside. I was expecting this pivot to get taken. We're almost hovering towards it now. Last week I said that pivot would get taken, not quite. Okay, but we are banging on the door, right? We're banging on the door. So we've got, yeah, I'm expecting bullish continuation, just like I am on Nasdaq. I expect, you know, we've got a daily naked point of control here, 26.34. Maybe we get some weakness and a move down, and then a move back up. If not, I'll be looking at this next naked point of control for signs of weakness, maybe another move down and then move up. But I'm expecting all-time highs before elections on these indexes, guys. I'm not expecting to be too bearish. I'm bullish, okay? And nothing to me suggests that I should be bearish here. We have this obviously to fill this gap fully around 20,692. So yeah, I mean, we could get signs of weakness here, and if I see it, then yeah, we can take some nice short trades here. Okay, back down towards 20,500 and then move back down. Then we'll be looking towards the 20,880 900 level. So those are my next trade setups. If we start moving down, then I'll be looking for support around this daily naked point of control, 2,280, and then I'll be, yeah, if we get down here, I'll be looking to take a swing, not swing, but like, you know, a longer form trade that I can hold for like 3, 4, 5 days, maybe longer. But I'll be looking for a trade setup from this naked point of control if we manage to get down here. So that's my trade ideas on the indexes, guys. You've got my trade ideas on Bitcoin. Let's see what happens going into this week. We don't have major news on the indexes. Not major news. Let's take a look at what we've got. So trading view, economic calendar, if you don't know where to search this. So we have Thursday, we've got retail sales and then building permits. I don't know why that's a really, well, yeah, but building permits, housing is quite important. Okay, so we've got retail sales, for me, are the most important ones, consumer sentiment. So yeah, I'll be watching retail sales, but Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we don't really have much. So yeah, the markets will carry on doing what their natural direction is, which is to the upside. Okay, nothing suggests that sellers want to aggressively sell this market, so yeah, there's no need for us to be bearish, guys. Okay, anyways, that is it for my analysis, guys. If you want access to any of these trades, our group is completely free. Hit the link in the description. Join our Telegram, head over to the website if you want to learn how to trade. We are trading every single day. We are making profits. We're generating profits. We do this for a living, guys. Okay, so if you want to become a professional trader just like us, go ahead, get over to the website. All the details are on the website. Come join and be a part of a wonderful community, guys. Okay, we would love to have you. If you don't want to do that, at least hit that thumbs up, okay? Hit that subscribe. It helps us a lot, guys, okay? It takes a lot of effort to make these videos, but we are doing it for you. So please appreciate with a thumbs up and a subscribe, okay? Anyways, that's it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Stay safe out there, traders. Peace. piece.